Hi, my name is Paige Darden. I'm with MyTopo. We specialize in maps, any kind of maps, topos, aerials. We have maps with public land overlays, snowmobile trails. We have hunting unit maps, anything you need, and we have them any way you need them. We have desktop mapping software. It's called Terrain Navigator, and it's high-end mapping software you can use. It's used by Fish and Game wildlife officials. It's used by search and rescue. We also have apps for your iPad. We have cell phone apps for Android and iPhone. And BlackBerries, you can turn your iPhone or Android phone into a $400 GPS device with a $4.99 app called Cabela's Recon Hunt. And then we also have a service on our website at MyTopo where you can order printed maps, and we print and ship them to you within 24 hours. You can center in on the area where you're going to hunt. You can overlay, the public lands. You can overlay snowmobile trails. You can have a topo map, an aerial map, or even a hybrid, which is a topo overlaid on an aerial. And then you customize it for the area that you're going to be, and we print it and ship it to you. And everything works together, so you can upload GPS tracks and waypoints onto your printed maps. You can study your printed maps and pick out coordinates and pinpoint them on your GPS device. Everything all works together, and you can come to our website at www.mytopo.com and learn everything you need to know. Plan your trips, get your apps, get your software, and get your printed maps. Thank you.